Let's DIY a Clover Shamrock using one of these tinsel shamrocks from the Dollar Tree and some of their little clover greenery. The first thing I do is just remove all of the tinsel from the little shamrock here. It is a 3-leaf clover. A lot of it is wrapped around, so you just have to unwind it, and it's going to give you a great plastic cage that you can decorate with. I was making this for a wall hanging, but it's actually large enough that you could probably use it for a wreath for St. Patrick's Day as well. I always love decorating for St. Patrick's Day, and especially this year, Easter is kind of late, and so it leaves plenty of time to decorate for St. Patrick's Day. Now what I'm gonna do is just take these little clover leaves off and just start hot gluing them like this. It covers the plastic, it covers the little tabs and everything that's on there. And I'm just gonna go around and do the entire thing in shamrocks. Sometimes these shamrocks from the Dollar Tree have a little bit of gold glitter dusting on them, but it doesn't really take away from the beautiful green effect of these. They're actually one of my favorite florals, especially for St. Patrick's Day and spring. And so I always try to grab some of these every year when I'm there. And it's really easy just to pull these leaves off. And I'm just hot gluing all the way around the heart shape of every single one of the leaves. We're also going to be going down the stem here as well. And this is such a fun way to decorate this. It makes it look so much more high end than the glitter tinsel that was on there before. You can use your heat gun if any of your leaves are a little bit folded to make them look better and flat. And then I'm just gonna make a hanger here just by taking some twine, feeding it through the back and knotting that on the top. So this will be easy to hang on my wall. And I think it's really cute, but I wanted to add a little bit of decor to it. I'm gonna use a little bit of the burlap trim ribbon from the Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna wrap that around the stem here of it and tie this off. This is the one that's kind of decorative. They have several different varieties of these, but I liked the burlap, so I wanted to bring that in. I just tie it into a knot in a very simple little bow to decorate the base of this. And I also have a really cute little St. Patrick's Day charm that I want to attach to it as well to do like a little message on there for St. Patrick's Day. This is it. I got it on one of the wood bead garlands from the Dollar Tree. It's a little leprechaun hat that says Happy St. Patrick's Day on it, and I thought that would be perfect. So I just cut that off of the wood bead garland. I can always use those for something else. Tie some twine on it, and I'm just gonna tie that around the cage where I put the bow and have that kind of dangle down on the front. And I think that's so cute. This was such an easy DIY to make. I love remaking the tinsel products from the Dollar Tree. This is how mine turned out, my little Clover Shamrock sign. And if you want more St. Patrick's Day Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. And until next time, happy crafting.